Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. We start with cricket as West Indies were bowled out for the second lowest score in Test history as they crashed to a humiliating 176-run defeat to Australia in the third and final Test at Sabina Park today.
Set 204 to win, the West Indies were skittled out for a paltry 27 as the world #1 team dismissed the Caribbean side 15 overs into their second innings on day 3.
At the stance! And he's gone straight through him. Mitchell Stark, you are an absolute champion. You deserve that. Quite remarkable. The West Indies all out for 27.
It was the second lowest score for the West Indies in the longest format, surpassing their previous worst of 47 against England in 2003 at the same venue. Only New Zealand's Test low of 26, set in 1955, is worst overall. Scott Boland also grabbed a hat-trick to end with 3 for 2 off 2 overs in helping to make light work of the Windies batting to seal the Frank Worrell Trophy.
That's close. That is close.
7 Windies players were dismissed without scoring in their second innings as Mitchell Stark bagged 6 for 9 of 7.3 overs to become the 4th Australian to take 400 wickets amid the fastest 5-wicket haul in Test history.
At the stance! And he's gone straight through him. Mitchell Stark.
The tourists had earlier lost their final 4 wickets for 22 runs to be bowled out for 121 in their second innings. Alzara Joseph with a career best 5 for 27, while Shamar Joseph took 4 for 34 to share 9 wickets between them. West Indies captain Roston Chase described the team's batting as disappointing.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking, obviously, to be in a position like that where we think we could have won the game and then come out and have that poor batting display. But I mean, it's something that's been reoccurring for the whole series, so that makes it even more disappointing.
Meanwhile, Australia's captain Pat Cummins summed up his team's unbelievable demolition of the Windies in Jamaica with 4 words.
I mean, this match was madness today. Just seemed to be played fast forward. But no, a great series. I think, you know, every Test match there was some testing moments where it felt like, you know, it could have gone either way. But you know, really proud of the group how they managed to find their way through those. You know, pretty challenging for the batters the whole series, but yeah, good contest.
Australia's victory at Sabina Park sealed a sweep of the West Indies in their 3-match series for the first time since Ricky Ponting's side won all 3 tests at home in 2005.